On your iPad, you'll see three multitasking options: full screen apps, windowed apps, and stage manager. But which one should you actually use? Today, I'll quickly explain all three, the pros and cons, and the setup I recommend for the smoothest iPad experience. Let's start with full screen apps. This is the simplest and cleanest way to use the iPad. No extra windows, no floating apps, no distractions. If you want your iPad to behave like a traditional tablet, fast, focused, and distraction free, full screen is perfect. It gives the best performance and the longest battery life because nothing else is running beside your main app. Next is windowed apps, which includes split view and slide over. This lets you run two apps side by side or keep a small floating app on the right side. But here is the issue. Windowed apps can get annoying. Sometimes the slide over window pops up accidentally. Sometimes you split the screen without meaning to, and switching between them can feel a bit clunky. It's useful for quick multitasking, but not the smoothest experience if you're switching apps a lot. And finally, we have Stage Manager, the most advanced multitasking option on iPad. This lets you resize apps, move them around like on a Mac, and keep multiple windows grouped together. If you use your iPad for work or productivity, especially with an external keyboard or monitor, Stage Manager is the best choice. It makes the iPad feel more like a computer. So which one should you use if you want simplicity, full screen? If you want occasional multitasking, windowed apps. If you want real productivity, Stage Manager. Personally, I find windowed apps a bit annoying at times, so I stick with full screen or Stage Manager depending on what I am doing. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPads and iPhone tips, and tell me in the comments which multitasking mode do you prefer.